Good morning and welcome back to another video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you what is included with the digital Choose an Adventure creator that I have listed on TPT. It is $10, comes with a Google Drive folder, and let me show you what all is in this. So these are the three files that come with the purchase. The adventure journal and character name choice I'll get to in a moment, but let's start with the Choose Your Own Adventure slide file because that is the bulk of the item. So in our Choose Your Own Adventure, you have the directions for your character slides. Then you have 12 options for characters, and you can add or delete as necessary. They have basic descriptions to each of them, but again, you can always change these and throw in little additions or take out some stuff if you don't feel like having that. You'll notice up in the corner there are links back to certain areas of the map, and then I will show you that in a moment once I go into present mode. But I'm going to give you a quick overview real quick first. Here, this is a spot where you can link to this character name choices file. I have options for first name, last name, which class they're in if you are not the homeroom teacher, as well as this is random generated character names. I try to keep out anything that was inappropriate or things like that. They're from a bunch of different generators, some Greek, Italian. We have Arabic inspired. We have a bunch of different people groups represented here. Then we have different types. I do have to add the rest of them in here. These are the original ones that I only had in my group when I played, but I'm going to make sure that I get every single one of these characters represented in that drop-down list. And then here on the side, there is a spot for XP. Now, when I'm letting students edit this, what I will usually do is at the end of our class period, I will make a copy of this so that I have a record of what experience points they were at. That way, if they try to edit it the next time they log in, I will be able to say, look, you did not edit that, or I did not edit that, you changed that, that's not the actual experience points that you have. So, back to our characters here. After choosing your character, there is 3 more rules pages. And then you'll notice on the navigation, this little icon right here will take you back to the map that we'll see in a moment. And then Save Your Progress goes to this adventure journal. And I ask the students to fill it out every day so that they can have something to make a record of where they were at. So after the Save Your Progress screen, we have the instructions for the map. There is 9 total locations you can go to, and you can always add more by copying these little scrolls and then clicking the link up here to link it to a specific location. And then the little blurbs here, as well as the names, are all completely editable. So if you would like to theme it more towards your actual activities, you can go ahead and do that. Then at the end here we have a congratulations screen, and I like to link a little congrats, you're done, like great adventure certificate here. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you in present mode. Now when the students are playing this game, or if you're showing it on a big screen, make sure you hit that present, because otherwise it won't work. You can move through the dialogue by hitting the right arrow key. These arrows on the bottom will take you to the next actual slide. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. So as you can see, each page shows up with the different dialogue. I'm going to go ahead and skip through the character pages, because they're all pretty much the same, honestly. You can also click with the mouse to keep going. That's always an option. There's the Choose Your Name slide. And then we have the Rules of Adventure, Navigation, showcasing just the map icon. Then we have the Save Your Adventure icon. And then here is that how-to screen and the map itself. So once you get to the map, you can go ahead and just click locations to go to them. And then again, things show up when you hit the side button. Let's go back to the map. There's a library, butterflies, etc. All these kinds of things. So then again, you go ahead and go to the Adventure Journal. Now I have specifically created this link in the corner to make a copy of this document. But if instead you want to put it in your Google Classroom, you can make an assignment with this Adventure Journal file and link that on this button instead. Any of the links are editable with this link button right here. So all you have to do is if you make it an assignment, just copy the link for the assignment up here in the address bar and paste it into here. So yeah, that is pretty much all we have for this guy. And if you have any questions, feel free to email or comment on any of my social medias. Thanks and have a great day.